Right, this is my little sister. She's not in high school yet, but she's an eighth grader. Even though our project focuses mainly on technology use in the high school classroom, I thought it would be interesting to get her perspective as someone who's about to start high school. So, if you would tell us your name, how old you are, the school you go to, and the activities you're involved in.
My name is Emily McPherson, and I go to Strickland Middle School. I'm 13, and I'm in student council and in theater and choir.
All right, and what's your favorite class that you've taken in middle school?
Probably English,
Which level of English?
8th grade English.
What kind of technology was used in that class?
We use laptops in our classroom. We use Microsoft Word and websites.
Does the teacher use a laptop or do you guys?
Um, the whole class uses individual laptops.
What do you do on them?
Well, this month we've been writing a novel.
Okay, so you use them every day in class, every week, every month?
Every day.
Very cool. Um, do you feel like that has helped you write your novel, the fact that you've had access to a laptop instead of just pen and paper?
Oh yeah, it's a lot easier. I think it's easier to even think when you're typing and you can write it down really fast instead of writing on pen and paper really slowly. And some people don't have computers at home, so they wouldn't be able to type at home either.
So if you had your way, you'd use the computer in every class?
Yeah, I guess I like the computers.
Have you used the laptops in English for anything besides writing your novel?
Well, while we write our novel, there's a website that gives us advice on writing our novel, but that's pretty much it.
So pretty much it's just been this month that you've used them.
Yeah.
Very cool. Um, do you so that's you feel like that is helping you with your novel?
Yes.
Um, are you doing what? Like I don't know how you're being graded on your novel. Are you being
Every week we have a word count that we have to meet, and so we get graded based on how many words we've written.
So do you think having a laptop has helped you reach that goal?
Yeah, because it's a lot easier having the computer count the words for you than on pen and paper.
Do you feel like you write more because you have a computer?
Yeah,
Do you feel like it's higher quality?
yeah.
Do you think you could say the same? I know this is complete speculation, but do you think you could say the same for the people in your class that you know?
Um, yeah, I know lots of people who don't have computers at home at all, and so if they didn't have the laptops, they'd have to go to the library to write, or just use pen and paper, which would be lame.
Yeah. Why do you think pen and paper would be lame?
Because, well, we're supposed to write 12,500 words, and so that's a lot to write down with your hand, and it would give you hand cramps,
This
and
is true.
yeah,
So you like using that technology?
I do.
I do. Are you comfortable using it? Do you ever have any problems with it?
No.
Do you know how your teacher gets to use those computers in his class? If the school owns them and he can check them out? If you wrote a grant and they're his computers?
I think the school owns them, and there's several like carts of laptops that you have to rent out or check out.
And so, do any of your other classes this year use technology in any way, not just computers, but any kind of technology?
My theater class, we were using flip video cameras to record commercials, and in my expo class, we went to the computer lab a couple times to do research and make photo story videos.
Okay, so tell me more about the flip video cameras. How your theater teacher's name is Miss Norton. How did Miss Norton get those flip video cameras?
The school also owns flip video cameras, so you have to like rent out a whole box of them from the library.
Did you know how to use a flip camera before you were in that class?
I'd never used them before, but they were pretty easy to figure out.
Could you see other places in your life where that would be useful?
Yeah, like it would be useful to record home videos, I guess.
Yeah, so I mean, the use of that technology has translated other places. What about photo storage? Can you tell us a little bit about what photo story is?
Photo Story is where you can upload pictures from a camera, or you can scan pictures, or you can upload them from the internet, and you put them in an order that you want to, and you can add words to them. So it's like a big slideshow, but it's more than what PowerPoint can do.
That's very cool. So it helped you like get your point more effectively across for that project?
Yeah, in that project, we had to choose a poem, and then have pictures that would represent different lines of the poem, and so the pictures help translate to other people what the poem meant to us.
Oh, that's very cool. Do you think the fact that you know how to use all those technologies will help you when you go to high school next year?
I think so because I had never used Photo Story before, but I can see lots of times that would be useful. And laptops, it's easy when we're on the laptops. We can figure out different things Microsoft Word can do, and that would be useful too.
Very cool. Thank you very much.